व्यूअर्स, मैं सिमरन नागपाल दिल्ली ग्लैमर के प्लेटफॉर्म से आज आपका फिर से स्वागत करती हूँ. वी आर हियर एट राइज एंड शाइन इवेंट. यहाँ पे women, we are acknowledging women for their great work. And with me, we have Kanika Chawla, who is not only beautiful to look at, but she is a beautiful woman inside. So there's a lot of things that she's doing. And what has she been awarded for? Let's hear it out from her. Hi, Kanika.
Hi. Thank you so much for acknowledging me on this platform. Thank you.
It's such a wonderful to have you here. Kanika, I would like to know, what is your journey? You are deserving an award. What has been your journey all through?
See, my journey started when I conceived my daughter. So it's like I had tremendous responses that were happening inside me, and I was reading a lot of books and a lot of things which were coming on my mind, and I want to improve that journey, improvise that journey into every mother's life, and I want everyone to go through that phase with the happy feelings on the mind. So I run a Popsicles Early Learning Center. So that center, I want to tell, my vision is not to provide only the academic knowledge. I want to impart the social emotional intelligence learning to the children, so that they go happy faces, so that the feelings, they understand their feelings, so that they are happy to explain their feelings to their parents. And these generation, I feel, if we look around, there's so much of when we look at the newspapers, there's so much of, the negativity which is around. So it's like with the Early Learning Center, with this Early Learning Center, I want all the children to start their learning right from the mother's womb, regarding the empathy, the socialness, the compassion, the generosity. So all these feelings, if I feel they come together, they can develop into a better human being. And I think if they develop into a better human being, they will definitely be way ahead in their academic journey of life. That's about it.
That's wonderful. See, कितने अच्छे से उन्होंने अपना एक विजन को सच्चाई में बदला, like what she thought. So कितना wonderfully इन्होंने अपने विजन को सच्चाई में बदला. And my dear viewers, she's also been awarded for this particular notion of hers. And not only this, we also want to know what would she has to say about the organizers of this event. Where is she today?
I would definitely say it was an honor to be part of this platform, where a woman encouraging the other woman. So that's the feeling which every woman, if she has, the entire mankind can be a better place to live in. So it's like, if a woman, usually say a woman can be the other woman's, if the best friend, then they all can, help each other rise and shine in life. So that's about this platform. Is amazing opportunity for all the women, bringing all together and helping each and every one to shine.
That's so beautifully said, and that's truly said that women can help women and make them rise and shine. So Kanika, Christmas is round the corner and you're doing wonderfully with kids. Do you have something coming up for them?
Yes, of course. We are organizing a Christmas carnival on a grand platform on 23rd of December at the Punjabi Bagh Club. The Popsicle has come up with tremendous amount of activities for the children, and there are going to be a lot of surprises. There are going to be dance shows, magic shows. There's going a little nook and corners for the stalls to be put up further, so that the children get the right Christmas feel. And I personally feel celebrations should be large, because that brings the children together, and we all and close-knit as a family and in a community.
So very well. So my dear little ones, if you're watching, you know where to go. 23rd December, Christmas Carnival it is. So everyone, this is Simran from Delhi Glamour. Ciao.